So Mike, just an update. That's just after 12 hours this has been hanging in my dehydrator, my biltong dryer. It's almost hardening up on the outside. I would say another 3 days and she'll be ready to eat. But I've actually done something else. I've actually made some dry sausages too now that I've just hung it up. So that would take most probably a little while longer to cure, but it's all venison, so we'll see. It's all fellow deer, so we'll see how it all turns out. First time I've done actually dried sausages, brewbush, with fellow deer. I've done it with red and basically anything else that walks the earth in Africa, but never with fellow. So I'm giving it a crack, and we'll see how it turns up.